I'm Mitchell from Learn to Flourish, and today I'm going to be showing you various camera shots and camera angles that you can use to help improve your videos. If you're new to creating videos and are unsure on what camera shots and camera angles to shoot, well, I got 12 basic camera shots and angles that you can try in your videos.
The lawn shot is a shot that contains the person's entire body in the frame, as well as being able to see the environment they're in. The lawn shot can also be good for establishing the scene with people in it to give the audience a better context of the location the subjects are in. The medium shot is either framed from the knees or waist up from the subject. It is used when a person is holding an object or talking to another person. The close-up is where the subject's face occupies most of the frame. This is usually done to convey more emotion in the actor's performance. An extreme close-up is used to pick up a subtle detail in one's facial expression, either on the subject's eyes or their mouth, occupying the shot. The high angle is when the camera is raised above the subject and is tilted down. It is often used to make the subject in the shot look smaller, weaker, or more vulnerable. The low angle shot has the camera closer to the ground and points upwards toward the subject. It makes the subject look stronger, taller, or more threatening. Over the shoulder shot is used when the camera is behind the subject as he or she is facing another person. It is often used to showcase the confrontation between two people in a scene. The point of view shot is from the perspective of the person in the scene. The audience should be able to see what that person sees, making them feel as if they are that person. A pan shot is when the camera is locked on a fixed point but follows the subject horizontally. It is either used to follow the subject or switch subjects in the frame. A tilt shot is similar to the pan shot where the camera follows the subject being locked onto a fixed point. However, the camera follows or switches the subjects vertically. The aerial shot is a variation of the high angle and it has the camera high above the subject. It is used to show the subject in a new location or make them feel small. The tracking shot is similar to the pan or tilt, but instead of the camera being locked on a fixed point, the camera is able to move and follow the subject. Thanks everyone for watching. For more videos on tips for video creation, check out our other videos, and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming video tips.